Got these LEDs for the van. Just want to try these out. I usually get HIDs, but these are only $10. They're like practically new, so I'm gonna install them right now. Alright, so I got the new one on. This thing's pretty bulky, but I just took the cover off. I'm gonna try to find a way to put the cover on with it, but I know these LEDs might get hot, so basically just plug and play. Take out the cover, unplug it first, pull out the cover, unhook it with these little pins right here, push down and release it. There's little hangers that hold it on. Make sure it's tight, make sure it's plugged. And there you have it. This side's a little tighter, but let me show you how to get it out. Just pull the plug out, squeeze it, pull it out, so plugs out. This cover comes off next. And you can see the bulb. And this, just push down, slide to the side. My headlight's a little chipped, but let's see. Take the hanger out, just pull the light bulb out. Don't touch the tip of the light bulb. Get the new one. Make sure it's like this, little triangle wise, top, sides. Should fit right in. Might be a little long, but because my battery's in the way. But it should go in. Yeah, it's going in. So it's in. Push that, lock it in, make sure it's tight. You always want to make sure your light bulbs are tight, because if it's on and then it comes out, it's gonna burn wires, cause a fire. So just plug this all the way in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put the bulbs away. You can get these bulbs on Amazon and stuff for like $20, or like 1 year to like 3-year warranty. But there's different ones, different volts, and different quality. Some are cooler, some come with the capacitor, the resistors, and all that. So yeah, well, this one I just want to try it out because these stock bulbs suck in the van. And these are H4, so they have a, what's it called, high and low. So high beam and low beam also works. Unlike some HIDs, when you buy it, they only come with low beams, and you won't have no high beams, which sucks. And it doesn't work. Let me start my car. Alright, so it's on, it works. I gotta replace this headlight because it's cracked, but I wanted to find some plastic ones so I can retrofit it, put a projector in there, but it's so hard to find for the van. So alright, so that's low beam. Let me use high beam real fast, and I'll get more videos when it's dark. Right now I know it's really light. Yeah, so you can't really tell, but it works. Everything's good. Just make sure your wires are away from anything that can pull it or damage it. So zip tie it. I'm gonna zip tie it, but yeah, put everything away. And that's how you put LEDs on a 1998 to 2002 Toyota Sienna. Same thing goes with HIDs and stuff, but yeah, pretty much plug and play. And I'll give you guys a review on it as we go.